A devastating earthquake has struck Afghanistan, claiming over 800 lives and leaving thousands injured or homeless. Rescue crews are racing against time, digging through the rubble to save those trapped beneath collapsed homes. Entire villages have been reduced to ruins, and the humanitarian crisis is deepening with shortages of food, water, and medical supplies. World leaders are responding. Prime Minister Modi has pledged India's full support for humanitarian assistance. This catastrophe hits Afghanistan at a fragile moment, already grappling with political unrest and economic struggles. As the world watches, Afghans face yet another heartbreaking challenge to their resilience.